Hello, yes, Stephanie. Mama, mommy. Like what the 10 minutes in my yard, we real live video, you finish it, bon. Okay. This message now for Izzy Omoruyi. Una see the one that they cause problem. Una see the one that they cause wahala. You when say you dey close to Sharon, she know about you, you know about her. Sharon died, never even reach 1 week. Just look, just see the calamity when you want draw. You will say make Sharon rest, make the let her relax, make her use the matter again. Just look the calamity when you want draw is your birthday. As the way Sharon take close to you, winning na move now. In winning na or move now, in winning right up in all this kind of thing na owe you now. According to your statement, the way you see you take close to Sharon. Go on the share you go for person mat. When person not even mean now call they put her for a body, call they put her for a mat. Go on the if you do come for this matter, una go feel swear. Why it very boy? I wanna know about here. Now person when you don't find the life for here. One of the make me the feel say I do something bad, I do something evil. Why do they do like this? One time they call me like maybe you not dead here. For your way you write, for according to what you write, you say, Mama Nora, you say Sharon na your party. Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Omoruyi. When me and Sharon say no, I believe say so for never they never say I believe. Una never they play that time. You and Sharon don't they close before me and she not they close again. Una two don't they close before me and she no can they do say we not they friend again. When Frank talk her for this live video, when Sharon you die, say, Mama Nora and Sharon, now so they be. Now Sharon, they carry Mama Nora go Denmark. Where you dey? Where you dey? When Frank talk her say, now Sharon, they carry Mama Nora, they go Denmark. Where you dey? Izzy Omoruyi. Where till the baby give me say I lie against the death? Izzy, you go food blood, you do paper come for me, say I lie against the dead. I say what I say out of pity, out of sympathy, because nobody expect I say our friend, our sister go now. All of them we call a claim busybody for call message. Do you ever talk to her when she is alive? Do you ever talk to her when she dey alive? Have you ever shared her when she dey alive? Have you ever communicate with her when she dey alive? I don't know her, will not be friends. Why will I carry my phone to call her when she born? I born, she call me. She born, I call her. I talk when people they drag her, say and I say yes. The way she take stress herself, and I say repeat her again. The way she take stress herself, the way she take labor, the way she take do, it not be like who mama carry come. She no book. Where for say she no book. She your battle rest. No, not carry that word talk. Only what you not say. Okay, if for not of this thing, only what you got here. I say what I say in out of pity. If my enemy buys don't go say that children stress na it by me. If my enemy fall for granted, don't go say that children stress na it by me. I go up born for now. The day when the year say I go hospital, I never book my dear life. When I talk about the gospel and children stress, now it by me. It's your Omoruyi. Mind you, there is something heavy when I don't even talk. I'm not talking. I wish that me can talk. What he play of free cents? What he play of free cents? Free cents early this year. Early this year, I wish me can talk that thing. You call. A bad shadow. Minister, all of your pack come my ass, come by me, say, Mama Nora, why you talk this kind of thing? Why you talk this kind of thing? I did not say what I said to bring her down. I don't say what I said to plot against her. I did not say what I said to expose her. I say what I said in out of sympathy, because if she really did okay, say, the way she take from Italy, same person when he bear half, call Italy, call Jamie. Come shop at Zoro, and you now man, he go call Jamie. Who they talk truth now? Who know you say, I don't like this woman, I don't like this man. Take judge matter. I repeat what I talk. Guys, say what I say in out of pity, out of sympathy. Now I take talk what I talk. I mean no harm. To take bring her down. Maybe the time when me and Shina party, you both of you were not friends. Izzy Omoruyi. When me and Shina party together, both of you were not friends. You ever say you ever talk with a man say when I call her, you dead here. Why you not right to come and say now I leave a man Nora call her when she born out of presenter. Una go use the find person mistake, person effort. Everyone jia iye do why so we unero like wo. Everyone jia why iye do unero like wo. Okay, what's it play this early year? I wish me I go talk I still reserve that one. Say na gbe go tie na resa agbe ma ya zene no nene do e. When Fred talk and say na mama Nora na Sharon carry mama Nora go Denmark. Izzy Omoruyi, where were you? Were you sleepy? Were you taking your bath? Now don't mama Nora say she dey travel for different place. If I lie against her, if you want bury Sharon, use the spirit to swear. Izzy Omoruyi, don't let me open my mouth talk. If I lie against her, the day we want bury Sharon as your friend, use the spirit to swear. Use the spirit to swear. I want to know who I'm about here. I'm about here. I want to know who wants to come out with your ragbo, no ragbo, to come out with who. Once you know, pop, you don't know everything now. It matters if they can never finish. Then you guys so there, and you may not then you why. Then you may not there you why. Did that lie? Mama Nora, you said Sharon your party. How? When? Where? Izzy Omoruyi, are you write this thing? Izzy Omoruyi, are you write this thing? Oh, Sharon, not talk to you. Even Frank, I shock when Frank only went a beg. I shock when Sharon, when Frank, I never ever talk that time. When Frank, if Pramos still talk her. That is your tire. When a man go send now. And you know that oh, sorry, I beg. I put you the pepper me. I don't expect this writer for Izzy.
Madam, we on your
yet.
Yesterday, I said I don't want to talk about this issue again. Now, impatience to do me pass your point and off this live video. Just pass a point. Pass your point off this live video.
Patient Omoruyi. Patient Omoruyi.
Just pass your point.
Off the live video.
Not be too much talk.
Do my hair. Do my hair. You say Mama Nora. You say Sharon na your party. How? When? Where? Just open mouth the lie. Izzy. Una two don't become like this. Before me and Sharon don't become like this. Una two don't become like this. Before me and she can't become like this. Okay, the time when Frank talk and say Sharon carry me go Denmark. Una never be friend that time. Una never be friend that time. Cause you want to say Frank lie. When my guy who ask me, I say na truth. Frank no lie, and na truth. If Frank is mad talk, I want to know. Okay, another person before you all come me before say, oh yeah, come on, why I never marry, why I never the born. No. I will take go Denmark. Not be Sharon carry me go Denmark. You say I lie against her.
You never still pass your point. Finish, Mudia.
You say I lie against her. No, that lie. The people they say I lie against her.
Just calm down. Take a cheap pill.
It's
Mudia, Nizi na tini etana. When me and Izzy talk 5 days ago, a bit 1 week ago. She not confirm and say you call Sharon when she born.
I call her say when she born.
She not tell you say even before Sharon die. No be now. You even call her.
I call her.
What's the normal money like
that? For first one I call her.
For first one you call her. This
second
one so
I call her.
She confirm her.
Izzy Omoruyi.
Now we wait first. They pass your point.
Now I want us.
Not the shot. Just the pass your point. Say why she go write that kind of a thing.
Tell me, Izzy Omoruyi, you need to come out.
You said it out of where maybe you said it, should I say you put it out of ignorance? Or tie out of where
again now stressing, you're stressing,
you not purposely talk
to cote brigand
finish on it.
That's all.
Not too much talk.
I talk as it not be supposed to stress like this. What with the way she take go school? With the way she take no book. Her capacity, she's supposed to day office, they write, because she did very brilliant when it comes to book. I had the battle yo bug me. They know the whole battle say Sharon help me spell or Sharon call ask spell say I not remember to spell this thing again. I bet you know the spelling. She not be like that. She did very brilliant. Izzy Omoruyi, I no expect this right off for you. I no expect this right off for you. That thing me what tell me not play but I really this year. You mean go to wow you for your carry go come show me say wow told this thing. Now make I tell you this. If you say I lie against her, you want bury her. Use the spirit to swear.
May I take this thing from here?
You want bury her, use the spirit to swear.
Dress, may I take the matter from here?
Use the spirit to swear if you want bury her.
On the dress, may I take the issue from here?
For one bury use the spirit swear.
On the dress, because normally Matthew only go a video now. But I want to eat the point where we cut this video. Normally, I'm making the video not take by 10 minutes. My lovers of Enogie and all social media people who they watch me this evening. What my wife said. Mama, no, not talk. No, I'm not talking. I'll tell my Oga. You come away. Wait first. Okay, my love. Wait, I just want to put an end. Because see, may I tell you what you don't know about these people. Wait till you talk that day. True to God Almighty. You're not talking to Bishop down. Adam, the enemies we have, we want to paint it to brainwash and convince patients easy to believe say one is a Bishop down. Adam, the listing, Adam, as far we have enemies like this, now make me talk say I don't want to talk about the issue again because they themselves, when they call the phone corrector, they use the thing they make money. If they come on live, now they'll come correct me. They use the thing they make money, but they'll call the point finger to one particular person. Say now Enogie, now they use the thing. And Hollywood, the talk. Wait first. I don't want to make you. I don't want to make this thing past 10 minutes. Maybe to get a very honey. After I don't think yesterday, I come find and say, okay, now since these people want to use this matter attention to my own, it can't be like say. Now maybe the bad person, now there be the good person. Where they talk about the Sharon matter, then they make money, and yet they know they will get tired. Then the patients Island to tell in Notaba. I believe we hear Queen we love you now. My people, may I talk? Let me explain what my wife really meant by that. You see, this life who they so they pray when I hear when you never this issue of Sharon OKPAMEN so it can't pay me say when this girl their life, the caring, the love, where some people they show them now. Just do the silent thing. The love where people they show them now. The love where people they show them now, they're not showing when in their life. And Izzy Omoruyi, you know that. He pay me for Izzy Omoruyi, you say she writes this kind of thing. Because where the people where they convince her now to believe that I will be the bad person, not support Sharon when she their life. My lovers of Enogie, I am using this medium now to say this. My wife did not say this thing to bring Sharon down. She did not say what she said to bring Sharon down. She said what she said because she just wanted to say it out of ignorance to prove a point. Not knowing that our enemies will change it in our hands. Please, Enogie lovers, my wife not get when it bring Sharon down, and she can never bring Sharon down. They were best of friends before Izzy came into the picture. There were a lot of people who was friends to Sharon before Izzy came to Sharon's life. Yeah, they not call the I don't want to even count so many, but my wife was just like one of it. You understand? So now, since they want to use the matter attention to our own, I beg, if my wife talk something to take bring Sharon down to now for now we call the phone fake love. Wala wugu. A family Sharon, don't be them. No. A family Sharon, if my wife talk, what she not supposed to talk, but everything what she said was truth. I was sorry, but she's not supposed to say it according to when the man yata nana. Wala wugu we mona forget. Wala I beg, make this matter there because only they don't use our head. If you don't know what it happen now, they are using our head to make money. They are not saying that we are the one making this money. So that's why I say I don't want to talk about this issue again. Yeah. Una bye you. I love you all so much. Please, this matter of say na so mama Nora talk, na so mama Nora not talk. But why me where Agwete wire we say Mama Nora also went further to say where she's brilliant and there is no English where she not feel right or J school in you. But I'm attorney. Okay, no, ye mistake it, Tani. Okay, please, for the sake of me and my wife, because if you don't know what these people they use us do, when make me come my yesterday say, I know one will talk this thing past here, may I tell you. After the other way, what kind of party is this? Can you just imagine? Their page run out battle. The people call it us. Wow!
You are right.
Wow!
You are right. You are right.
So now the reason why me now don't want to talk about the issue again, if we not gonna talk, because now I know the old is sweet. Only may you still tell the family of Sharon. Say, may they not vex. If they feel, say you use a big and down. But easy market, not going. Simple.
I respect someone know whoever can tell me, he get a Sharon or ye Nora ye Zemaki. A Sharon, you know, I get Sharon, Biene, me give a Biene. Only you know, get a Frankie time, we are getting no, we are getting calling a Sharon going to go to Demakia. So before me converse, thought that was say the way she takes stress, she not supposed to do that kind of thing.
Well, we apologize to a family or if nah.
Why we
a family
Sharon.
Just apologize.
According to Izzy where I lie against her, then one more talk.
No, those ones don't mean.
No, see, he let read the right talk now. No. On the read the right talk.
You follow my instruction.
Okay.
I will leave you to what's not good.
Okay.
We may hear now.
I understand.
Before me talk yesterday, say I don't want to talk past it because I don't know what they do.
No, only read the right what is the right.
He say you lie.
He say I lie.
Right? Not be patient. Easy matter now with us right now.
No, now she drag the thing come
in. So now what you go do? Because I believe say before she write this thing, why you convince her? But you know me where you convince any ma support Sharon Ragbon. So now, since the one use the matter attention to our own, may you tell Sharon family say, if you use what you talk, out of say you talk, say they feel and now say they use and they bring their daughter we don't back down. May they not vex. No, cut this video.
Okay. Family of Sharon, what I talk when my eyes see, I don't lie for the dead head, I don't lie for the dead body. I mean a Joe method one me have a Joe akwe. Wala wo we we nita o makeke nita unwe wa egwe wala wo ite we nita out of pay out of sympathy yate ila wala o because we know ya might not need that be
go deep. Okay, what on your pa
wala o wa egwe unwe wala o imamu oge bai I will so but then na me na gwe ye te taweri o e ni mete ya mi ne o wa ya take ke me o get big different they can wa o get different say she can wa o get or dey deep wala o family of Sharon wa egwe
thank you
wala o wa egwe
so please idegbe we do de ba o hame in here Iye Sharon and the family of Sharon. Wala wo. Di manado boti gwan yi mata re Sharon. I mate ve theory ma re na aragbo ma re support movie so re or yi ma re TV do gwan yo. Si se managbon avun dan yan do yakin ri ma e ma o han na ko la wa mata na wala wo wa re gwi wala ho because ave madan no do away Enogie is the bad party. Ya make go. So mema o na do ayi me ya make go ne na go me guyi. I don't want make people call they correct me. Tell use me they make money for waiting that they correct with me for.
My question when Frank talk and waiting
they you don't need to no worry oni imanag mo berry. Oni I know what I they do. Baby.
Yes, sir.
But you know say I like problem. But you know observe and say I can't talk like this.
Hey.
Wema you understand?
I understand it.
If you understand, you for calm.
You know, say for inside, we don't deceive ourselves. If we listen to our for inside, I say you fuck up. When
no.
Say for inside, I see ask you several times. You say no. Can you tell me down? But
yes.
You see when me down with her.
It says I hear ya. I could be neither way at the time. I will success I have been young. Yes. You know, say them now they use our normal saga for Facebook. Till they want they use and they rob this recent issue they happen. Me not could understand. I wish me even understand me for no even me get the way which I don't delete safe. Because when me go to get the code yesterday after I sleep wake up, I can't see and say man, they are using me to make wait till they quarrel with me for. Sympathy affair. Oh, you know me where I okay wait, may I make you understand what they happen. Okay. And you be Enogie. Yeah. Now me be Enogie enemy. Now you talk about Sharon. Okay. Yeah. Me now. Me want to correct you when you talk about Sharon. Me they tell you now say you they use Sharon they make money. And my page get monetization. And you tell me they talk about. And me now want to correct with you now to get people to my side. To make people confess and me love pass. And then they may come and say, what kind of a party is this? You say you this emotional economy. What kind of a party is this? And then you claim you love these people, you cannot like you are very coming to you see, this is what we have been saying. All those one who come to say if they use that stylishly till they make money. Also now when I wear it matter now. Now, all right, my people. I love you all. Stay blessed and stay safe. Wala will go. Wala will go. Ni metavo. Eya aripa. One woman not come yours now. Say in this now where everything not kind of matter ni. Imagine you need one. You born. Please, Sharon's family. We are here to say sorry. Wala will go. I love you all. Bye bye you.